Good morning, guys. Today, well, this morning, it's around 4:35 a.m. We are going to be doing a driving vlog, I guess, in the morning on our way to work. And again, thanks for tuning in, first of all. Mic check. We are now ready to go. The Sienna has about 8,000 miles on it. Now it's cold, battery is low, so the engine is cranked. Today I'm just gonna do like a driving vlog, and couldn't sleep. So here I am, just doing like a nighttime drive in the Sienna. See overall what everything's, just give you guys a feel. It's very early in the morning, it's about 46 degrees. I will have to turn the heated seats. Probably gonna turn on the heated steering wheel. Now, one of the worst things about going back to office is the commute. But along with the commute, it's also, you just gotta make sure it's a wide vehicle. Along with the commute comes parking costs.
Press the green light to take a ticket. There is no cashier at the exit. Take your ticket with you and pay for your parking at the pay station or parking office.
Now I pay about 10 bucks. Oh, whoa. I had to make sure. Forgot. I just have to make sure it's good. Crap. Actually, I paid for the parking already. Oh, do I clear it? Oh yeah. Yeah, I should good. Yeah, I'm good. All right, I guess I don't have anything to worry about. It does clear. Now, originally this is going to be like a night drive, etc. But since I forgot to hit record when I was driving, I'm just gonna go ahead and just do like a nighttime overall theme. Starting from the exterior, right? I'm go ahead and just turn on the vehicle like that. Give you guys a look. And then the lights on the outside. Okay. So right off the bat, from the outside, you have your LED lights. These, unfortunately, are not the projectors, so the cutoff is not as good, but it is still plenty bright. Walking around, we have the side markers, the parking lights. And since this is the XSE trim and up, we do have the LED taillights, as you can see from here. And that's basically it. I do have, you can see from here, LED license plate lights. It's pretty bright. And that's all for the exterior. There are puddle lights right here that will turn on when we approach the car. I don't see it now. Wait, do I see it? Nope, it's not on. But when you approach the car, unlock the car, that turns on as well. Now, going back into the car, well, first we have the Sienna puddle light, projector light right here. I think that's pretty neat. We have right here the door insert lights and also the window control lights right here. It's all in blue. Unfortunately, there's only one color, which is the blue, but it kind of matches the interior blue for the Siennas. We have our illuminated shift knob right here. And overall, here is just the in-cabin LED conversion all around. We have this going to the passenger side. We have a little bit of light illuminated under the shelf. And we have footwell lighting here, the illuminated door sill Sienna. And also we have a little AliExpress DIY thing, if I could get it. If I could plug this in. Right there. So right here, this is illuminated light in the back. Opening the car door. This is what we're looking at under here. We have a little bit of illuminated footwell lighting in the back under the seats. A little bit of LED lights here. And that's about it. This is your interior LED lighting kit. In the back, and the trunk light. This is kind of like during the winter session that I did, where we have this going on. It's touch sensitive, so it illuminates your whole trunk, giving you a lot of light, because this one right here doesn't give you that much light, especially before the LED conversion. And then you can just tap it like that, walk away. You can see it like that. All right, we're gonna shut it off and shut it off. And that's it. That's it for the light show. Give you guys maybe like a hazard, the hazards right here. Like that. Oh, the illuminated shift knob changes color schemes. It goes from like, I think there's like red, orange, yellow, purple, green, blue maybe. But it takes a while for it to shift. Also, what's pretty neat is it's the parking gear situation is also illuminated as well. So here you see it. Now this is the factory lighting, which is kind of like white or ice blue. I'd rather have it same, like matching these, not as dark, and these not as dark, but I mean, this is still aftermarket. And also we have illuminated lighting under the bridge right there. But overall, everything is completely converted to LED besides the front dome lights right here, which is still the incandescent yellow, warm yellow. Oh, I completely forgot. Also, sorry, forgot to completely show you guys. I completely forgot. I also have a brake thing, a brake light. Third brake light. When you brake, it flashes and shows Sienna, so it's kind of corny, but I'll give you guys a show. So I'm gonna press on the brake, and it should flash Sienna, right? Which I think is pretty funny. All right, guys. So that is about it for this light show. I'm here early for work. I guess maybe I'll touch up on this subject right now. It's because it's been on my mind, you know. But going back to this full force 5 days a week, it just doesn't make sense. It's the way they implemented it. It's just wrong. Like, why don't you assess and then reevaluate and just take your action after the fact and not throw everybody back just 5 times. It went from hybrid to literally 5 days a week, and that just throws off the whole family dynamics at home. Not only for me, I'm sure for plenty. So I'm not even speaking of myself. What happens if someone like sneaks up on me right now? Yeah, it's just the whole thing about going to work not only is a waste of time, the time that you never get back, the time away from your family, it's also increase and stress on your budget. Like, I'm a single person's income, and from here it's parking, breakfast, lunch, right? I think that's a cue for me to go. It's just kind of like a random vent. I don't know why I'm even like making this all public, but I should be headed back to work, right? I gotta be efficient. And getting into work at 5 a.m. in the morning is not efficient enough. I don't know, what can I tell you? But hopefully I'll stick it through, and then from here everything works out. The good thing is, the best thing is, the most important thing is health. So I'm not even sure where I'm going with this video, but I think I'm just gonna sign out, and that's it. Thanks for entertaining this, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Take care.